heading to 174 pounds. You see one of the best in the country here in the Crimson and Cream for Oklahoma. This is top-ranked Andrew Howe. Redshirt senior out of Cedar Lake, Indiana. Already a three-time All-American. A 2010 NCAA champion. Yes, this is 2014. So here's what happened with Andrew Howe as a true freshman at Wisconsin. NCAA runner-up. Wins a championship as a sophomore. Gets hurt during his junior year. It was a hamstring injury. Fights back, comes back, ends up taking third. Then takes the Olympic red shirt in 2012. Transfers to Oklahoma, redshirts again after he tears his ACL wrestling Jordan Burroughs in the finals of the Olympic trials in 2012. So 2 years off from collegiate competition, and Howe comes back 174 pounds. Him and Travis Rutt transferred from Wisconsin to Norman. Taking on Jesse Shanaman of Cornell. Shanaman, a senior out of Blairstown, New Jersey. Seen several different wrestlers here for Cornell at this weight class throughout the year. Seen Duke Pickett in there. We've seen Marshall Peppelman at times. Right now it's Shanaman. Actually the third Blair Academy wrestler in this Cornell lineup today. And we saw Mark Gray and Chris Villalonga earlier. And Howe going to strike first with the nice little go behind. Makes a 2-0 lead. And we've been talking about bonus points the whole duel. This is another situation where Oklahoma feels they can be in a situation to get some bonus points.
Attack hands here.
Now undefeated on the season. Has a win over returning national champion Chris Perry of Oklahoma State in the first Bedlam duel. And Howe going to cut Shanaman free and get right to work on another takedown. So it's now 4-1 for Andrew Howe. Howe's going to cut Shanaman loose again. He's going to play the takedown, let him up game. Driving that underhook to the far side. Out of bounds, fresh start. 47 seconds remaining, period number 1 here at the 2014 EAS NWCA Divisional I National Duels. Quick high crotch for another takedown for Howe. So quickly now 6-2. Definite national championship contender. Also rocking the Olympic issue Asics there. Big lift and return for Howe, maintaining control. Up on short time here at the end of the first period. Shanaman unable to muster any type of offense there in the first period. And that's how it'll end the first 3 minutes. 6-2 lead for Andrew Howe of Oklahoma. Shanaman starts the second period in the down position as Howe maintains his ride, builds his riding time up over a minute, about a minute and a half. And Howe's just going to let him up, kick him out, 1 point escape, so it's now 6-3. Now working front headlock, grabs the near leg. That's control enough for official Lenny Gino to say that's 2, so now 8-3. And Howe going to drive Shanaman out of bounds. And we'll start fresh in the center of the mat. Howe shows optional start, which means he's just going to let Shanaman up. Now 8-4. 4 takedowns and 4 escapes is what we've seen. Now going to go right back to work on that front headlock. .45 remaining here in period number 2. Half shot by Shanaman. You don't take half shots against a guy like Andrew Howe because he's going to do that to you. Quick go behind, 2 more points. Now 10-4. Now just going to let Shanaman free for another escape. Now 10-5. .30 seconds remaining here in the second period. 174 pounds, top rank Andrew Howe, trying to give Oklahoma a few more points to creep closer to Cornell, which leads the duel 17-10. Get on the leg, another 2, not yet. Now there's 2 for Howe. Now 12-5. Riding time approaching 2 minutes. So Howe working towards a major decision. And that's how the second period will end, 12-5. Howe has choice, he's going to start down. Howe tripoding up. Shanaman hanging on the near leg. Belly tilt. Now Howe's going to peel the wrist and get the reversal. It's now 14-5. In favor of the 3-time All-American, 2010 NCAA champion.
Stay on the hand, build up. Keep building here. Keep building up.
Now still maintaining a strong ride.
He's working.
Now looked cradle for a moment.
Keep building up.
Riding time is secured. A stall warning and a stall point awarded to Howe, so 15-5, now 15-6 after the escape with 37 seconds to go. Howe relentless on the attack. And we'll go out of bounds, get a fresh start. Under 30 to go here at period number 3 at 174. Howe's got the major locked up.
20 seconds.
Pushes Shanaman out of bounds yet again.
Number 1.
Now with a single leg, finishes, 2 more. 17-6. Add a point for riding time, but it'll be an 18-6 major decision. And 4 more points on the board for Oklahoma. Now 17-14 is your winner. Andrew Howe with a major decision. Stay tuned for more action from St. John Arena at Ohio State, only on FCS.